I'm Daniel Georgiev from Bulgaria. On the internet I go under the name of Blentkills. When I started, I really wanted to find a course like this one so I can actually learn how to do things by myself in my poor budget studio I had. I'll show you this. And then I'll show you this. Who is this course for? This course is great for people who want to do things by themselves. You want to be a one-man band? That's easy. This is the course you need. No, you don't need any previous knowledge. What we will do in this course is a simple acoustic song, or at least that's what I'll do. You can do something else and we can work alongside. It's gonna be awesome. If you're somewhere alone, traveling, or you just want to be able to record your ideas and project yourself to people with some decent quality, all done by yourself without having to pay a studio or somebody to mix and master those, this is the course for you.